What's up everyone, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to wait for an element to be visible so we can do some other action. So for example, if you go to Amazon, which is going to be our lucky website in this tutorial, you guys see this timeline, it actually changes and a different picture pops up. So what if we don't want to use the thread.sleep and we actually want to tell it to wait until this picture appears? So that's what we're actually going to do in this tutorial, and it's actually pretty simple and you guys will like it. So let's actually get started. So first thing we'll have to define is the wait. How much wait do we actually want to timeout after? So we'll do web driver wait, and then I'm going to call it wait for 20 seconds because that's going to be my timeout, or the maximum amount of seconds I want to wait for until this element is visible. And if it's not visible in 20 seconds, then I'm going to fail this test case, or I'm going to fail this whatever you want to do. So I'm going to do equal to new, and I'm going to write WebDriver again, and I'm going to do driver parentheses and comma 20 seconds. So I'm defining my wait for this driver going to be 20 seconds. Okay? And then now I'm gonna write for this wait dot until, and this is gonna be a little bit long function, so bear with me and I'm gonna explain it what it actually does. Expected condition, and I missed an I right there. Okay, and I'm gonna write a boolean. And always remember, a boolean can be either true and false, and I'm going to explain why would that be useful in just a second. And I'm going to write public boolean apply WebDriver driver wait. Alright, you guys probably like so confused. So what I'm actually doing right there, I'm telling it my my wait 20 second, I want to wait until this boolean, and then I'm defining this boolean, what is it going to be. And inside of this boolean, I'm going to put my web element, and trust me, this will make more sense whenever I type it all and explain it at the end, because right now it wouldn't make sense, and honestly if I look at it right now I'd be confused too. So right here I'm gonna write the element that I'm gonna wait for, and this is going to be this one. So I'm gonna copy this, and this is the image and it's an alt, so I'm gonna write image and at alt equal to this, then close the parentheses, and if you check it right there, it's gonna have 3 of them, but since this is the first, we don't have to actually put in a bracket and write first, but you can also do that as well, like that, and that would also work. And then I'm gonna write if Amazon is displayed, return true, else return false. And let's remove all these extra brackets that got written for no reason. And last thing, I'll put 2 brackets, 1 parentheses, and then that. Okay, and let's see what I did wrong here. So I have this and this. Actually, I don't need this. Yep, so that's it. So let's actually explain it. So I'm defining how much weight I want. So this is 20 seconds max. And then I'm telling wait for 20 seconds for this boolean, which I defined it right there. And inside of this boolean, I said that my web element is going to be that. And if that web element is displayed, make this boolean true, meaning I'm gonna break. I'm gonna stop waiting anymore, and I'm gonna continue doing whatever I want to do after this, which is probably, I'm just gonna click it. So I'm just actually gonna write this again, and I'm gonna do that click or something. But if it's false, it's gonna return and look for it again. So that's what it's actually doing. So it's kind of like it's like in a loop. It keeps looking for it. If it's true, then it's gonna break. If it's false, it's gonna keep looking and looking and looking until the 20 seconds runs out, and then it would fail it. So let's actually run it and see how it actually works. So if I run this, and here it's waiting, 20 second, 20 second, 20 second, and the second it appeared, it clicked on it, and that's all. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a little bit confusing. There is an easier way to do this, but the fact that this one allows you to pick what kind of option do you want, is displayed, is enabled. You can pick actually a lot of things that you want to do with that element. This allows you to do more than that the other way, which I'm going to show later on as well. But I know this is more complicated, but I definitely recommend using this one because you have more options. I'll probably in the next tutorial I'm gonna do another version of this, and then I'm gonna do the easy version if you guys want to use that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and subscribe and like my videos as well. I'll be really thankful, and have a great day.